What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, starting this one out on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the activity notifications from your messages. So first we're going to swipe over and we're going to go to our messages. You can swipe right or tap the icon in the top right of the screen, and here it will bring you to your messages. And now you'll notice a new feature on Instagram that shows when people were last active, and you can see that right below their username. So you can see active 5 hours ago, active 47 minutes ago, active 23 minutes ago. So this is a feature that some people might not like, because if they're getting a lot of messages or if they don't want to respond or something like that, they might want to turn this off so that people can't see when they were active, because some people will get upset if you were active and you didn't respond or look at their message. So what we want to do to turn this off is go back, then we can tap on the profile tab on the bottom right of the screen, and then we can tap on the settings icon on the right side of the screen towards the top. And then we want to scroll down here until we get to these toggles. And then the bottom toggle will say show activity status. And all that we want to do is turn that off. And then it will no longer show when you're actively using Instagram to people. If we go back to our feed and then to our messages, we can see that I can no longer see when other people are active, and they won't be able to see when I was active. And there you have it. I just wanted to show you that quick tip for Instagram on how to turn off the activity feature so people can't stalk you and see when you're active on Instagram anymore. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for daily social media videos just like this one. Also, check out some of my other social media and subscribe to my other YouTube channel. I'll link it all down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.